Next to important Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. So this is in the case of aldol condensation, alpha hydrogens required. But in the case of Cannizzaro reaction, the compounds, the aldehydes are ketones. There may be aldehydes or ketones which are does not containing alpha hydrogen, without alpha hydrogens containing compounds, two molecules undergoes disproportionation in the presence of concentrated alkali. In the presence of concentrated alkali undergoes disproportionation to form one molecule as acid and one molecule as a alcohol. So this is called a Cannizzaro reaction. For example, the compounds without alpha hydrogen, the best example I am taking formaldehyde. There is no alpha hydrogen. So if you take formaldehyde, here two molecules of formaldehyde here undergoes condensation in the presence of strong acid, strong NaOH, you can take KOH, mean concentrated. So one molecule undergoes oxidation and forms salt of acid. Here Na is there, salt of acid, and another is undergoes reduction. So one molecule is undergo oxidation, and another molecule is undergo reduction. So this is called disproportionation. So here the disproportionation reaction, one molecule undergo oxidation and gives acid, salt of acid, and one molecule is alcohol. So here two molecules undergoes. So you see mechanism for this reaction. So Hc double bond OH, and next to the base will be attacked at this position and it will be shift, and HCO minus OH and H, and the next step here, the first step it, and then the second step O minus OH H, C double bond OH, another second molecule. This is the second molecule. When this negative charge migrate here, this hydrogen H minus ion will be shift. H minus hydride ion will be eliminated. That hydride ion will be attacked on another molecule of formaldehyde. So this first molecule is going to form Hc double bond OH acid, and the second molecule is going to form O minus H and H. So this is methoxide ion and this is formic acid. These are the acids, mean they are strong, they will be easily donate H plus. So this H plus ion will be transferred to here in the next step. H plus ion transferred here, from this will get HC double bond O minus. This H plus is transferred here because it is strong acid, it can donate H plus. So this minus satisfied by the Na plus ion, and this is HCO minus. So HCH HOH. So this is alcohol, this is a salt of acid. So this is the disproportionation reaction. One is undergo oxidation and one is undergo reduction. This is the Cannizzaro reaction. Next to crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So same like crossed aldol reaction, here crossed Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, two different carbonyl compounds. They may be ketone aldehyde, you can take, otherwise two different ketones or two different aldehydes, but the condition, they should not possess alpha hydrogens. For example, just you take a formaldehyde with a combination of benzaldehyde. So in the presence of concentrated base, then the products, if you see One is undergo oxidation and one is undergo reduction. So that is based on the reactivities. Reactivity. Reactivity, if you see, formaldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde. Formaldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde. So which is more reactive, that is always undergoes oxidation and other undergoes always reduction. So this formaldehyde undergoes oxidation and this undergoes oxidation means we will get as salt of acid, and less reactive is always undergo reduction, it gives alcohol, benzyl alcohol we will get. So this is undergoes oxidation, that means major product. Maybe reverse also form, this is undergo oxidation, this is undergo reduction, but major product I am saying, this highly reactive compound always undergoes oxidation, gives major product. Next to less reactive is undergoes reduction. So this is the reaction. So this is the benzyl alcohol, this is the sodium formate, benzyl alcohol. Now if you take one more example, if you take that benzaldehyde to donating group, para-methyl benzaldehyde and para-nitrobenzaldehyde with concentrated NaOH if you take. So in between these two, which is undergo oxidation, which gives you more acid product and more alcohol product, mean that is also depends on reactivity. Always electron withdrawing group, this is the electron withdrawing minus Me group. Minus Me mean electron withdrawing group. This is electron donating group, that is plus inductive effect, otherwise hyperconjugation also you can take. This is electron donating, this is electron withdrawing group, this is donating group. Always electron withdrawing group is more reactive than that of electron donating group in the reactivity order. So this is undergoes oxidation, more reactive. So this undergoes oxidation. So this undergoes reduction. So if it is undergoes reduction, less reactive compound undergoes reduction, it forms as alcohol, and other combination, this is undergoes oxidation and forms a salt of acid. So this is the major. So minor mean this is going to alcohol, this is going to acid. So actually this is the major products. They are considered major products only. So based on reactivity, in the Cannizzaro reaction, highly reactive compound undergo oxidation. Next to internal Cannizzaro reaction. Internal Cannizzaro reaction. So internal Cannizzaro reaction means the both aldehyde parts are present in same molecule. So this is a glyoxal. So glyoxal, this is aldehyde part, this is aldehyde part, there is no alpha hydrogen. So if you take a concentrated NaOH, then one part going to acid, one part going to alcohol. So this part is going to alcohol, I am writing, it is right OH and CH2, and this is going to form acid, C double bond O minus Na plus. So after formation of this salt O2, this if you add strong acid H plus, now it will form CH2OH and COOH. Na is displaced by H plus. So this is the compound. This compound is with respect to this is alpha position, alpha hydroxy ethanoic acid. Otherwise alpha hydroxy ethanoic acid or 2 hydroxy ethanoic acid. 2 hydroxy ethanoic acid. And similarly internal aldol condensation also takes place. Internal aldol condensation. Internal aldol condensation means you can take CH2, C double bond OH, C double bond OH. For example, if I take this molecule with a dilute base, here in this with respect to this, both are same type of functional groups. So with respect to this is alpha, with respect to this is alpha. So any alpha hydrogen also participate. This alpha hydrogens and this oxygen will be eliminated. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member ring is formed. 5 member ring is formed. So first position is oxygen removed and fifth position H2 removed. First position and fifth position. Between first and fifth positions we will get double bond. And also at fifth position there is a aldehyde function, C double bond H. So like that we will get it. So if you want a middle product, just with respect to this is alpha, this is beta. At beta position write OH group. At beta position write OH group. So OH and C double bond OH. This is the middle product. Then from this only it will be formed by strong heating, water will be eliminated. This is a internal Cannizzaro reaction.